Hello everyone. This is a quick video flying over the top of Tyson Wash, which is right across the street from La Posa South. So we're on the entrance road now, overlooking what will be 4 lanes to get water at Tyson Wash. And they're still not open. This date is 12/26/23, the day after Christmas. And we're coming up on the dump, which will also have 4 lanes to dump your gray and black tanks, and they are still not open. And I've not heard any dates from anyone when they're projected to actually be done and open. The big white squares or rectangles up to the left are the evaporation tanks for those dump tanks. And you may notice there's a few more RVs over on this side of 95, which is west of Highway 95. But not near as many as in La Posa South. I'm going to try to put up a video tonight that also covers La Posa South. So we'll see if that's actually on my channel. Just take a look if you're interested in it. And as I've said in previous videos, if this Flite is going too slow, you can always speed it up on YouTube. I'm doing a quick turnaround. You can see that Tyson Wash is still not very occupied with RVs. Although when you drive through it, it looks like there's a lot more than there is from the air. So we're just going to do a quick flight back the same direction we just came. And you will notice on some of these RVs, like a lot in La Posa South, that solar is the name of the game for dry camping in the desert. Actually, I would say solar is the name of the game for anyone that wants to do a lot of dry camping. As I have 1,500 watts on my roof, 800 which I can tilt, and 800 amp hours of lithium batteries. And it takes about 3 days of cloudy weather before I have to fire up the generator to help them out. If not, I'm good with just the sun. And there is a heck of a lot more people out here with twice or more of the solar than I have. And I would only guess at what they have for batteries. So we're now coming back up on Highway 95, which is heading north, going to your left. Headed back to our camping area in La Posa South. And I don't know if you can tell from previous videos, but as of the day after Christmas, there definitely seems to be quite a few more RVs here in La Posa South. I'm going to try to do more videos in 4K, as this one is in 1080p. So we'll see how those come out. All this dark area you can see is not from the rain that we got a couple days ago. That is actually very small volcanic rock. As the rain and all the puddles have disappeared. So here we are at our camp, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.